Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning into the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm very excited because I'm finally doing the wheel stud conversion on the BMW E30. As most know, BMW and most European automakers, they go with the wheel bolts. I decided personally that I was going to do the wheel stud conversion because I feel like it's a lot easier to take the wheel on and off the car. I can rest the wheel on the wheel stud itself. Alright, so for the conversion, I decided to go with the Motorsports Hardware. Heard a lot of good things, so I decided to give them a try. The kit does not include lug nuts, but it is an option, so I decided to go with the open-ended lug nut. I think it's perfect for when you're doing the extended version. This is a 75 millimeter, which it's a great option for those that are thinking or considering adding spacers to the vehicle. This one is the old busted wheel bolt that we'll be replacing. All right, so in terms of the tooling, this is what you'll need right here. And obviously you need to take the wheels out, so you need your 17 millimeter socket, your breaker bar. You'll also need thread lock. Go with the blue one. The red one will be too extreme in the case where the threads end up getting damaged along the line. You'll need to replace that, and the red one, I feel like it would be too much. The blue is a good alternative. You'll need a 5 millimeter hex along with a ratchet to lightly tighten the actual stud, and you will need your torque wrench. This, you're going to use it at 25 foot-pounds of torque for the black extended version, or what they call a race version. If you have the other ones, the silver one, shorter ones, you're gonna put it at 20 foot-pounds of torque. Again, these are the tools. All the tools here, I got it from Harbor Freight, so you don't have to break the bank. I actually bought this one today. I bought this one at $19.99, which is awesome pricing. And yeah, so right now I am going to jack up the car, and I'll see you down there. All right, so jacked up the car. Now, I figured I'd show you before. These are the wheel bolts that we'll be replacing for stud. Anybody curious? These are a Pina style OZ racing wheels. Don't know the exact model. These are 15 by 7 plus 12. Sorry, so I'm going to take these out, and we go from there. Basically assembly right there. Now, usually when you have this setup, you'll have to rest the wheel here, which is a little bit of a pain in the ass. Now with the studs, the wheels will be resting on the stud, making life a lot easier. So you're gonna get stud and your thread lock. I'm gonna add some like such, and it's gonna be the same procedure on all of it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually, I know I mentioned that you're gonna need a ratchet for it. I'm actually gonna skip this because I already hand timed this. Just gonna go straight into the torque wrench at 25 foot-pounds of torque. Alright, so now that you have everything torqued down to proper specs. You're gonna put the wheels back on, and you're gonna put the lugs on. The lugs gonna go on 85 foot-pounds of torque, and that's it. You'll be ready to rock. So remember, it's 85 foot-pounds of torque, and remember to always tighten the bolts in a star pattern so everything tightens up nice and even. There you have it. It's one side is done. See how it protrudes out pretty far out? That gives you enough space to install spacers, and it's a lot easier to take off and put on the wheel. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. If you guys have any questions, make sure to write it down in the comments below. If you guys are new here, consider subscribing, and if you like the video, definitely smash the like button. Hopefully everybody stays safe and healthy, and until next time, peace.